2004 SC430. More than transportation, the Lexus SC430 is a sleek, hardtop coupe on one hand and an exhilarating convertible on the other. Powered by a commanding V8 engine that uses variable valve timing with intelligence, the SC430 is proof that performance is truly an art form and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, passenger airbag, fog lamps, compass, heated driver's seat, trip computer, remote power door locks, power windows, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.